Hello, my dear students. Welcome in another video lecture of our vertebrate structure and function paper. So, we will start from the point where we left yesterday, and today I am going to show you the categories which are or the subdivisions, we can say not divisions, subcategories of our chordate phylum or protochordate phylum. Protochordate phylum. So here we have hemichordate. What is meant by hemi now? Hemi means half. They bear half characteristics of chordates. That's why they are placed in hemichordate category. Now I'll show you the diagram. So they show most of the affinities towards our echinodermata. That's why they are nowadays included in our invertebrate category. Now you can see that they bear proboscis, which is head region. There is a collar and the trunk is there. The body is divided into only three parts of hemichordates, that is proboscis, collar and trunk. And these are the real image of animals which are included in hemichordates. Now let us go to the next category, that is cephalochordate. Now what is meant by cephalochordates? Cephalo means head. Now why we are telling that head, हम head chordate या head chordates क्यों बोल रहे हैं? Just because यहाँ in this case these cephalochordates have notochord, which is one of the characteristic feature of chordates, is present at only head region of cephalochordates. That's why they are called as cephalochordates, which means that they bear notochord in head region. Notochord is present in head region. That's why they are included in cephalochordates. Now I'll show you the diagram. So this is the diagram. You can observe the nerve cord is there and notochord is this is the notochord. So what is the notochord? Notochord is a rigid structure. It is a rigid tube like structure which is having certain mixed material in it, which makes it more tough and harder. It is harder in composition, we can say, or in structure. And when we are talking about nerve cord, so what is our nerve cord? Nerve cord is a tube like structure, hollow tube like structure, which is filled with fluid in it. Liquid fluid is present in our nerve cord. Wait a minute, you cannot see this structure. Okay, now so this is our notochord, this is our नर्व कॉर्ड. डिफरेंस क्या है दोनों में? नोटोकॉर्ड रिजिड स्ट्रक्चर है और हमारा नर्व कॉर्ड हॉलो ट्यूबुलर स्ट्रक्चर है. पोजीशन दोनों की डॉर्सल होगी. दे विल ऑलवेज बी एट डॉर्सल साइड ओनली ऑफ एनिमल. बट इन केस ऑफ सिफेलोकॉर्डेट्स वो सिर्फ हेड रीजन में होंगे. नोटोकॉर्ड एंड नर्व कॉर्ड सिर्फ हेड रीजन में होगा. एंड I will show you the actual diagram. Okay, this is the real image of Amphioxus, which is one of the animal included in our cephalochordate category. Now let us proceed to the next slide. Here we have urochordate category. Now what is meant by uro? Uro means tail. अब समझ तो आ गया होगा. जैसे हमारे cephalochordates थे, cephalochordates में हमारे जो नोटोकॉर्ड थी वो कहाँ से कहाँ तक एक्सटेंडेड थी? वो थी एक्सटेंडेड फ्रॉम अवर हेड रीजन, ओनली हेड रीजन में प्रेजेंट थी. बट इन केस ऑफ दीज यूरोकॉर्डेट्स, द यूरोकॉर्डेट्स विल बियर नोटोकॉर्ड फ्रॉम हेड टू टेल रीजन. यहाँ पे क्या होगा? हेड से लेकर टेल रीजन तक हमारा नोटोकॉर्ड एक्सटेंडेड होगा और हमारा नर्व कॉर्ड एक्सटेंडेड होगा. ओके, सो होप ये पॉइंट क्लियर है. सो लेट अस सी द रियल इमेज ऑफ एन एनिमल विच इज़ इंक्लूडेड इन दिस यूरोकॉर्डेट. So you can observe, I will show you. So this is the dorsal side of herd mania, this is the ventral side of herd mania, and you can observe the, दिस इज़ द न्यूरल ग्लैंड. एंड वाई वी आर टेलिंग इट न्यूरल ग्लैंड, सो जब हम बात कर रहे हैं नर्व कॉर्ड या नोटोकॉर्ड की, तो दोनों ही ब्रेन के निचले साइड पे प्रेजेंट होंगी. दे विल बी beneath the CNS. what is the CNS now? तो CNS होगा हमारा, CNS is a central nervous system. So our central nervous system, beneath the central nervous system, our nerve cord and notochord will be present, and these are always dorsal in position. ये याद रखना है, they are always dorsal in position. Okay, now see, this is the real image of herd mania. So here our protochordates ends up, and in next lecture we will talk about the affinities of protochordates to the chordates. But before starting that point, I will first explain you the classification or system of classification of chordates. जब सिस्टम समझ में आएगा, क्लासिफिकेशन समझ में आएगा, तब we can compare affinities of chordates and protochordates. So hope today's lecture was sufficient and you people understand everything. Thank you for listening. Thank you very much.